Hey, how's it going? This video is going to be a little different from what you've seen about VPNs. Give me just 20 seconds to explain what I mean. I promise I won't waste your time. I've tested over 100 VPN services and put together a 200+ page research doc covering everything about every decent VPN out there. So here's what I'm going to do in this video. Instead of wasting your time on stuff you don't care about, just to stretch the video to 15 minutes, I'm going to straight up tell you which VPNs are the best for getting into bot lobbies in any game right now. Plus, I'll share a few key things about each, so you can just pick one and get on with your day. And for the nerds like me, I'll leave a link in the description where you can grab my full research doc for free and read it all year long. No joke. Alright, let's get to it. Here are the top 3 VPN services for bot lobbies in any game and why. First up, NordVPN is hands down the best for bot lobbies. Why? It works super smoothly with gaming servers, which is super important, obviously. Speed, it's literally one of the fastest I tested. Low ping, no connectivity issues, zero packet loss, and solid download and upload speeds, perfect for keeping your gameplay smooth. Features, it's loaded with features. Kill switch, meshnet, antivirus, leak protection, you name it, it's there. Pricing and support, reasonably priced for what it offers, plus the support is top notch. Do they keep logs? Nope, they don't. That's a fact. Encryption, they use the best encryption tech available, so your connection stays private while you're gaming. Overall, super easy to use, fast, reliable, and pretty affordable for what you get. Negatives, just the 10 device limit. Second best VPN for bot lobbies is IPVanish. Why? It's a no-nonsense, performance-focused VPN. Speed crazy fast with consistently low ping, no lag spikes, no packet loss, just smooth gaming that helps you land those easier lobbies. Features. It's got what a gamer needs. Reliable kill switch, split tunneling, great if you want only your game to go through the VPN. Pricing and support, one of the best bang for your buck VPNs out there. Usually cheaper than the rest, but still top tier. Support is quick and helpful. Do they keep logs? No logs. Independently audited too. Encryption, top-notch AES-256 encryption. Negatives, it's based in the US, a Five Eyes country, which might bug privacy buffs. Also, the server network's smaller than the others. Overall, a clean, fast, secure, set it and forget it VPN, perfect for pure gaming and great value. Third best is Private Internet Access, or PIA. Why? Massive server network and the most customization on this list. Speed, really good. Huge servers mean you can find a fast, uncrowded spot nearby to hit those bot-heavy lobbies. Features, packed with stuff. Kill switch, solid ad blocker, and it's the most customizable VPN here. Pricing and support, usually the cheapest premium one on the list. Support solid and professional. Do they keep logs? Nope. Their no logs policy has been proven in court. Encryption, best encryption tech, plus it's customizable. Negatives, like IPVanish, it's US based. And the app isn't quite as slick as the other two. Overall, reliable, transparent, and powerful. Great if you're on a budget, but still want huge server options and advanced features. That's it. My top 3 VPNs for bot lobbies. NordVPN, IPVanish, and Private Internet Access. Honestly, you can't go wrong with any of these. For 99% of you watching, even if you pick one just based on colors or logos, you'll be fine. They all work perfectly for landing bot lobbies and making gaming easier. Quick recap to wrap up, in case you're still on the fence. Go with NordVPN if you want the absolute best overall VPN for bot lobbies. Premium features and fast speeds. Go with IPVanish if you want simple, high-speed, set-it-and-forget-it gaming VPN that delivers incredible value. Go with PIA if you're on a budget but still want a VPN for bot lobbies with a huge server network and tons of advanced features. My job here is done. I gave you the answers, so you don't waste your time. I've dropped my exclusive discount links for all 3 in the description below, so you can get the best price out there. Thanks for your time. Now go pick one, and let me know in the comments which you chose. Have a beautiful day or night. Bye.